everyone! This is your gardener Rhianne. Have you tried planting at home? If not, this video is for you. Today, I will show you the simple steps to follow in planting. These are the materials: planting pot, plant, black soil, charcoal, water, shovel, scissors, stones, and hand gloves. But before that, let me define what is gardening and what does gardener do. Gardening is the practice of growing and cultivating plants as part of horticulture. In gardens, ornamental plants are often grown for their flowers, foliage, or overall appearance. Useful plants such as root vegetables, leaf vegetables, fruits and herbs are grown for consumption, for use as dyes, or for medicinal or cosmetic use. A gardener plants, transplants, fertilizes, applies chemicals, waters, plants and weeds flower beds and plant areas. She also maintains flowers, bushes, trees and shrubs, and implements detailed landscape plans. Let me show you the 7 steps to follow in planting ground orchids. Let's get started! Place the plant at the center and prepare your planting pot. Second, fill the pot with black soil. Leave some space for the surface stones. Add charcoal. Add soil again. Arrange the stones to be placed on top. Make sure it doesn't compact the soil. And water the plant at the soil surface with a gentle stream of water to settle the soil around the roots.